Hey, welcome to hashtag straight poop, poopers. I'm doing vegetable quesadillas. Now, I'm gonna grill the vegetables, okay? I got fire going. In the pit, I simply cut strips out of a red bell pepper, okay? And I'm gonna layer them in this basket that I obtained and just putting it in there, okay? I just want to get some smoke on this, okay? Because I'm gonna finish this up in a pan along with some mushrooms. I'm obviously not gonna put mushrooms here, okay? But yeah, and it comes with a cover and you snap it out and yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I got sun-dried tomato, flaxseed tortillas that should go really well. I got a nice sharp cheese, okay, a Mexican cheese, so that's pretty good too. So I'm gonna take these outside and come along. Yeah, join us and make sure you grab that eCOOKBOOK. It's free, of course. Okay, we'll be right back. Hang loose and welcome to hashtag straight poop. We'll be right back. Hey, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. Yeah, we're out here. I got the little newfangled, you know, I've had fish baskets. You could use this for fish, veggies, fruits, whatever. I did a video on a pound cake. Me and my cousin was executive pastry chef at a Hilton in Chicago, and we developed some recipes. I think I did a video on that. We're doing these veggies. I'm gonna saute some mushrooms also. And I'm getting some smoke on this. I'm not necessarily hard grilling it. I just want some smoke. Then I'm gonna finish it in a frying pan with some cannabis oil, with the mushrooms, with the zucchinis. I'm gonna sweat those down real nice. I got some sun-dried tomato and I believe flax tortillas, and we're gonna make some really nice quesadillas. Okay, so I'm gonna stay out here a little bit more, and I don't need to bore you with the gory details, but you see how the veggies are taking a nice color. That's what I want, but I don't want to ruin them. I mean, it's not ruining them if you take them and grill them and then dress them in something like a salad or something. But no, not in this case. I'm using this. So I don't have to use meat in a quesadilla. I mean, I like ground beef, I like steak, but or carne asada, but not in this case. I want to lighten it up, okay? So it's an awesome recipe. Make sure you get your eCOOKBOOK, follow the graphics and all that stuff. It'll lead you to it. 125 BarBeQue cannabis recipes and 230 pages of swear words, lots of swear words. If you're a Pollyanna or you're a Puritan and swear words just don't live up to your ideals in life, use the recipes only. Don't let your ideals get offended or insulted because of my words. You know, I swear a lot, and I'm holding back in this series because I don't want to be shut down for saying words that start with F. Okay, so I'm getting inside after I get done with this, and we'll be right back. Thanks for joining us on hashtag straight poop. Hey, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. Well, that basket really did a nice job on those zucchinis and bell pepper. I got just the right brownness, blackness, charness that I want. And I just got some button mushrooms that I sliced. And there's there's maybe 4 or 5 tablespoons, whatever that comes out to be, of cannabis oil. And now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, not much, and a grind of pepper. Okay. That's that. Nice thing about these veggies, man, they're not going to be soggy like you boil them all day, or, you know, Didn't cook them at all. They'd be raw, but still. Okay, about right. I'll take that off. I got a tomato basil flax tortilla. Okay, it's got fiber in there. It's got very low cholesterol. If you you don't like those type of tortillas, you could use flour, you know, whatever you want to do. And I got this fairly hot because I want to get this hot so it's going to melt the cheese. Okay, I'm going to top this all with cheese. Then I'm going to put the veggies on there. Then I'm going to put a little bit more cheese. Then I'm going to fold it. Okay, another option is I could take another tortilla, put it on top. Okay, but if I fold it, it's easier for me to flip in the pan. Okay, and that's the key. I don't want all the stuff going out, you know, all over the joint and on the cooktop and have to restart again. So let's see. Yeah, it's getting nice and flexible. There's nothing worse than eating a tortilla that hasn't been warmed up or zapped or something like that, you know? I mean, seriously. It's a travesty if you go somewhere and they give you a tortilla and expect you to eat it if it isn't cooked first. I mean, that's just like insane. Okay, so I got some sharp Mexican cheese. I think it's called Cortina. And I really like it. And I really like cheese that's ground like this. Okay, nice and fine. Maybe not the Scamorza cheese on a pizza, as opposed to mozzarella. My father-in-law, Lee, loved pizza, and great guy. Treated me better than my dad. So his thing was, you know, his mom and dad came from Tuscany, so he knows pizza, I guess. Well, he did. And he told us that Scamorza is the best pizza cheese you can use. And when we make our own pizza, we use Scamorza. And I gotta tell you, he was right. He's right about a lot of stuff. He's wrong about some stuff, but he's my father-in-law. So yeah, man, look at this. We're waiting for the cheese to get kind of bubbly. You see what I mean? See what I'm saying? He knows what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna put it on one side because I'm gonna fold it over. Let's see if I need any more cheese. I might not need cheese. No, we're cool. Yeah. Some oil. Okay. Yeah, this is looking pretty damn good. Okay, let me get that. Oh, I'll do it this way. Yeah. Over it. Easy. Move it over. Okay, okay. Smash it. Now move it to the middle where the heat is. Oh yeah, baby. This is gonna be good. Let me get my cutting board. We'll be very happy to see this. I know the cutting board was looking anxiously to this when we were discussing it in casting this morning. Cutting board union, man, I'm telling you. There's a union for everything. Cutting board union, canine union, ham union. So, anyway, okay. Yeah, how's that looking? Let's see if I have to... Perfect, man. Yeah, that's exactly. That's what we want. Okay? Yeah. I don't think there's a finer quesadilla this part of Auckland. Okay? No, we're not in Auckland, New Zealand. Are you? Leave a message in the comments. Are you from Auckland? Huh? or somewhere. Maybe you're across the street. If you are, my dogs will sniff you out. They're Shelties. Okay, I'm getting this off. This is great. There you go. Veggie quesadilla. Simply done by taking your grill basket and greasing it up with Pam and putting slices of red pepper, bell pepper, whatever you want. Could be jalapeno, poblano. Zucchini that I cut in half and quartered lengthwise. And then I fried up some mushrooms. You could do whatever you want. You could throw spinach in there, radicchio, whatever, man. Roasted Brussels sprouts, roasted cauliflower, you know, and you could use bigger tortillas. These are 8 inches. Fits good in this frying pan, but some people have small frying pans. You may want to use the El Milagro corn tortilla. They're about 4 inches, or you could use the big Mission, you know, they're about 12 inches. Whatever you got, whatever works, man. And like I said, it's so damn versatile. Whatever cheese you got, you can use, okay? I specifically bought the products for this particular dish for the video. However, whatever you got in your fridge, man, use it. This is a quick lunch or dinner. Salad, glass of wine, glass of beer, smoke a doobie before and after. You got it. Make sure you go to the comments section, grab your free e-cookbook. 125 cannabis barbecue recipes I wrote. Book was published in 2018. 230 pages full of foul language and other tips and tricks and secrets that I am giving out on barbecue and cannabis, being a historian in both subjects. Okay, so next time, enjoy the quesadillas, and we'll see you on #StraightPoop. Poopers. I'm a pooper too. See you next time.